Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send money from South Africa to Tanzania. Whether you're supporting family, handling business deals, or just sending a gift, getting money across borders can feel tricky, but don't worry. I've got you covered with a straightforward guide. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to know your options. The most common ways include using international remittance services like Western Union, MoneyGram, or online platforms such as World Remit and Mukuru. Banks like Standard Bank in South Africa can also facilitate transfers, but they often come with higher fees. For quicker and cheaper options, mobile apps like those from ABSA or even PayPal might work, depending on the recipient's setup in Tanzania. Step 1. Choose the right method based on your needs. If speed is key, go for digital services. Transfers can arrive in minutes. Start by signing up or logging into the platform. For example, with World Remit, download the app, create an account, and verify your identity with your South African ID. Step 2. Gather the necessary details. You'll need the recipient's full name, their Tanzanian bank account details, or a mobile money number like M-Pesa. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Next, enter the amount you want to send in South African rand, and the service will convert it to Tanzanian shillings based on the current exchange rate. Always check for the best rates to minimize costs. Step 3. Pay for the transfer. Use your South African bank account, debit card, or even cash at a physical location. Keep an eye on fees. They can vary from 1% to 10% depending on the service and amount. Once paid, track the transaction status online. Finally, confirm with the recipient that the money has arrived. Remember, security is crucial. Use reputable services and never share sensitive info over unsecured channels. There you have it. Sending money doesn't have to be a hassle. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.